Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your own loading bar screen animation on CapCut PC. So go to library and add in a wide stock video. If it's not long enough, just freeze frame it and add it to your video. I'm just gonna make it like around 4 to 5 seconds long. It doesn't have to be. Go to mask and select the rectangle one, and you're just going to create like this rectangle. And what you're going to do is you're going to right click again, create compound clip, and then you're going to select rectangle, but you're going to reverse it, and you're just going to like create this like bar. Then for the loading part of it, you can use any videos colors that you want. Might just select this one. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to just simply, I'm actually just going to resize it a little bit. Wait, how long is this? Okay. And then go to rectangle, and I'm just going to resize it to look like a loading bar here. I'm also going to trim off the excess. Right click, create compound clip. Select the horizontal, and we're going to rotate that. And it doesn't matter, like if you wanted to go like from this way or like from this way, it's fine. I'm just going to load it from here. Simply add a keyframe at the beginning of it, and then at the end you're just going to want to drag it to the right. You're then going to add in the text here, loading, and then you can change the font even. Just place it there. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Don't forget to add this animation to your text. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.